When designing the new GA VSD Plus, Atlas Copco wanted it to be efficient in every possible way, without making any compromises.
This is the GA VSD Plus compressor. It looks small, but it delivers big time. Energy efficiency is very important to us. This led us to Atlas Copco's GA VSD Plus compressor. The energy performance of this new generation of air compressors is clearly superior to previous technologies.
We choose renewable materials that are more ecologically viable. This benefits the performance of the compressor, but also the environment.
We see the VSD Plus as a smart machine and a smart choice.
The compressor has a longer lifespan because of this innovative vertical build.
We don't just test our compressors in laboratory conditions, but also in actual working environments.
There really is no doubt. The IPM motor is technology of the future.
This, in combination with Atlas Copco's super efficient permanent magnet motor, results in spectacular energy savings for our customers.